This is a super simple one bowl mix. First, get the hot water and the coffee granules together, and then add the cocoa powder to that, along with the oil, the vanilla extract, and the apple cider vinegar. So that's all of your wet ingredients. Now the dry ingredients get sifted together in a large bowl, including the sugar this time. And then the wet ingredients get poured into that. Whisk it smooth, and that's it. So easy, you guys, and so good. Pour the batter into the greased cake pans and bake them until they are done. Now, of course, there's more in-depth info on the blog post, like pan sizes, oven temperatures, and bake times, so be sure to click through to get the recipe. Now for the German chocolate filling, and this time I am making a healthier version that uses dates as the base for the caramel. Believe me, it is hard to tell this is a super low sugar version. You just blend everything together smooth and then fold in the pecans and the coconut. It is so easy. Am I right? Like, how easy is this? I'm not lying to you. It was all done in just about an hour. So yeah, the only thing I did change with this cake, and we're gonna see that when we do cut it open, is that I used applesauce in place of like 3/4 of the oil, which is basically just going to make this cake a little bit more dense, I guess. It actually is going to make it be a little bit more dense and fudgy-like and not soft and light like a traditional cake. And I gotta say, I don't hate that. I'm going super rustic on this. If you guys have seen my German chocolate cake of years past, I mean, I've done this probably how many times with all of my changeovers, from Crumboss to Woodland Bakery to Gretchen's Bakery, and now Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, right? So like, I've done these recipes so many times, and my original version of the German chocolate cake always did have a chocolate buttercream icing, and I'm just gonna go super simple and rustic for this one, mostly because I'm telling you what, you guys, in my old age, I am not able to handle sugar in such excess as I used to. So I think this is perfect the way that it is. It's not too overly sweet. It's just going to be delicious. Oh, look how cute it is. All right, and that's really it. I did make up a little recipe of ganache though, because I mean, this looks kind of plain and not really that good. So I am gonna do some ganache rosettes all the way around the top of this cake, and maybe a little bit of a drizzle.